Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy to the OG. Thanks for tuning in today. Today I'm going to be doing a updated Wake Up Your Face tutorial, so if you are interested, then make sure you keep watching. So the first step is I'm going to conceal my eyes and around my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. This is in the shade C2, it's very fair. I'm going to use a little bit right here. And then I'm going to take this pointed foundation brush from Shop Miss A, and I'm going to blend that in. So not only am I going to blend it on the lid itself, but I'm going to just blend it slightly up into the crease and up to the brow. One thing to keep in mind if you do use the Jeffree Star Magic Star concealers is they are very full coverage and they do set very quickly. So if you are messing with these, make sure you work with them very quickly. Now I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott small angled brush and I'm just going to put my brows in the right place by combing them up. So I always comb my brows up and then I angle them over at the ends on the tails. Now I'm going to grab my e.l.f. Brow Duo Pomade and I'm going to create a line on the bottom of my brow starting with the tail. So I've got the bottom underlined. I'm going to slightly fill in. Then I'm going to take my Elizabeth Mott small angled brush again and comb back up. So the brows are there, they're not extremely done, they're just slightly done to give the presence that they're a little bit darker than your natural brow. Nothing too extreme, no insta brow here, nothing wild. The next step is I'm going to take my vitamin C lotion from Pixi and I'm going to just apply it to my face. Now I'm going to go ahead and take Patchology's Flash Patches. These are the Wink and a Kiss 5-minute eye and lip gels. I'm going to start with lips, I guess. So before I do anything else, I'm just going to use this Jade Roller Ball all over my face. I let it sit in a cold area, that way it increases the depuffing. So, pro tip, leave it somewhere cold, that way it will also benefit you even more. So now I'm going to take the Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later primer. This is a illuminating face primer. Once the primer is set, we're gonna go ahead and take that Magic Star concealer again. We're gonna apply it to the T-zone slightly, underneath the eyes, the tip of the nose, my butt chin, and just for fun, a little bit right here and a little bit right here. This concealer is actually gonna be my foundation. I'm gonna apply the concealer all over my face. I'm gonna blend it out thoroughly and hopefully it's gonna have a flawless, almost airbrush effect once we're done. Now I'm going to take a Bare Minerals Buki brush and just even thoroughly blend that together. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to take my Pure 4-in-1. This is a pressed mineral makeup powder with SPF 15. I'm going to take my Pure brush. I'm just going to swirl it into the skin. Once that's done, I'm gonna take my Ofra highlighter. This is in the shade Star Island. I'm gonna apply it to the brow bone, Cupid's bow, the tip of my nose, and the bridge, inner corner, and then just slightly over the lid to give your lid a wet, glossy look. Then I'm gonna softly blend that with my Elizabeth Mott blender, just so it really looks like skin instead of eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna grab my Show Me Your Cheeks Elizabeth Mott blush. This is in Bright Coral. And I'm gonna take my Chic blush brush, pop some of that color on my cheekbones, and bring it up. Because I don't want to be too flat. I want to look pale because I'm always naturally super pale. But I also don't want to look flat like I was just saying. This will just bring a little bit of life back to your cheeks. And then we're going to take the highlighter again. We're just going to place it on the top of my cheekbone. There's that. We're going to take a eyelash curler. Curl my lashes. I'm just going to use my recent go-to, which is the It's So Big Elizabeth Mott mascara. If you shop at Elizabeth Mott, make sure you use code Megzy VOG25 off for 25% off your purchase. So we're just going to give my lashes a thin coat of mascara. Nothing too crazy. We don't want it to look like I have a lot of makeup on. So there's the difference. This is one coat of It's So Big mascara, and keep it in mind that it's a thin coat too versus the no coat. Now I'm going to go on to lips. This is the final step. We're going to be using the EOS Sunset to Sunrise Tinted Lip Balm. So just apply that to your lips like normal. This stuff smells like ice cream or a lollipop or something. It smells so good. And then now I'm gonna grab my Ofra and Madison Miller lip gloss. This is a collab and this is in the shade Smiley for Riley. I believe that's her daughter's name and that's super cute that she got to name it after her daughter. And it's such a beautiful shade. All right, so the final step is to, of course, take your hair down, rock some pretty hair, and then, of course, set your face, which I'm not gonna do right now because I don't have any setting spray in front of me. All right, so that is all I have for you today. I hope you like this updated Wake Up Your Face tutorial. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Maybe leave me a comment below. Let me know what my next video should be. And Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody has a great 2020 and thanks for tuning in. Bye guys.